Today's video is for all of those students and tutors who work on pre-apply, and it's going to be a really interesting and crucial video for you. If you got this email, you already seen my thumbnail, and also you can see the email. You may not understand very well. Perhaps if you did not understand, this video is for you. I'm gonna explain whether this is advantages or disadvantages for you, whether it can impact your earning, whatever you earn from pre-apply. They are going to minus some tax, or what is the system. Everything we are going to understand from in this video. So let's try to dive into and try to see what's more into this email. First, I'm going to simply break down the email and help you to understand. In the end, we are going to measure, we're going to calculate these all things, and we will see how it is going to impact your earning. Let's begin. The first point, I have opened the email. So if you teach students who live in the European Union, for example, if you're students who live in countries who are part of European Union, like Spain, France, Italy, then this email is for you. They have a new European Union VAT regulations, and this is started from January 1st, 2025. They already mentioned in the email. This is a more tax rule starting in the European Union. So tutoring service may now be subject to VAT in students' country. So VAT, what is a VAT? VAT is a value added tax. We are going to understand more at the end of the video. First, let's try to break down the whole email. So for example, if your student is in France, so France VAT rule may apply to your lessons, right? The lesson you teach per hour on pre-apply. So we have updated our terms of use. Pre-apply is saying pre-apply change is a rule, which is more like a term of service, subscriptions rules, and etc. Or refund policy, etc. So it can be all of them. They have done these all changes to match these new VAT rules, laws, whatever you can say that. For example, you can read these all things from Legal Center, which is not suggestible. If you want to, you can do, because it's a bit more I've been going through, and I think they have more than 10-20 pages in the PDF list. For me, bit hard, so I did not read it. I didn't find it interesting because so much. So I tried to summarize it and try to make it interesting in this video. Let me share with you. Number 5. We recommend working with a tax expert. So pre-apply is saying, suggesting you to talk to a tax professional in your country, right? Why? Because tax rules are different in each countries, and a tax expert can tell you if you need to do anything about these VAT changes. Now, in short, I'm gonna help you to understand VAT, which is called value added tax, like sales tax charged on service and product. And when we talk EU, European Union has started and charging some value added tax VAT on online tutoring, depending where your student lives. So you don't need to be more worried about it. If you have a person you can talk about, but I'm gonna already explain you in this video. More like pre-apply is going to handle some of the VAT stuff, but you still have to be aware of it. That's why they are going to send you this email. Now let's try to understand more different way. Now we have here example, right? How this VAT, this value added tax, impact your earning. So let's say you charge $20 for a lesson. So your student live in Germany. So now Germany has 90% VAT, right? Value added tax. So what pre-apply does here? Pre-apply is going to charge 23.80 euros. So including 90% of VAT. So $20 you're going to get as it is your lesson, right? As usual, you're going to charge. The extra 3.18 VAT goes to Germany's government. So not to you. It's pretty relaxed. Don't need to panic. It's more, relaxing. It's not really big impacting to you. So what you get. So your total earning, which you are generally. So what you get here, your original $20 minimum pre-applies commission. For example, if you earn maybe $20, if you're having some commission system, for example, I'm having only 18% nowadays. If you have, let's take an example of 33%, which is the highest maybe percentage if you're new to your own pre-apply. $20, 33% minus, and $30 you can receive it, which is, I'm talking apart from the VAT, right? That's daily life you are going to get charged for these percentage. Now Abruptly is charging for me 18%, as I said. So if you are 18%, then you're going to get more than like this. For example, if you earn $15 from a student and your commission pre-apply charging is 18%, then you are going to earn 12.50 or 30 euros, right? So not like the more, which is like, I mean, it's not going to be minused by some VAT. It will be same. VAT is only taken from students, not from your earning. So a student need to charge more. It's not like you have $20 and they take $3, value-added tax from your earning. No, it's more like from students. So that's it. So you don't need to pay the VAT from your earning and pre-apply it on the top of your price. That's it. But some countries require tutor registration for VAT, depending where you live and how much you earn. And if pre-apply is already contacting VAT on your behalf, maybe it can be. That's why they have suggested you to talk to tax expert, and that's it. I'm sure pretty much is clear for you. If you want me to still give you an example, then I can give you. Otherwise, I think it's pretty clear for you. I want to just talk one more thing. I'm gonna simply say that, okay, that's it. If you have any kind of questions, any kind of complaint, any kind of maybe anything you wanna, please send me a message below. I'm not sure if you get it completely. Let me try to summarize quickly. It is not going to be deducted from earning. It's the top of your earning. If you charge $10, so extra $3, $4, whatever they have a VAT, it is going to be charged from a student. So if you're watching as a student, then this is not really interesting for you because you have to pay a bit more money because of the government, not because of the pre-apply, right? And if you're a tutor, then you don't have to worry about it. And I think you still can talk with tax professional. I have just given based on my knowledge, right? So that's how my mind works, and I have calculated. If you still find error, please send the comment, and other student and other people can find it useful. Thank you so much for watching video, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, have a really great Sunday. Have a great weekend. Thank you. Love you guys.